So next question is, what are the different data type supported by Postgres? So Postgres support wide range of data type including numeric type, that is integer, numerical, real, double, and precision. Character type, character, varchar, text. Date and time, date, time, timestamp, interval. Boolean, boolean. Binary data type, byte, bit, byte varying, array, integer array, text array. JSON or JSON-B, the storing for JSON datas. UUID for universal unique IDs. Geometrical type, point, line, circle, polygon. Network address like INET or CIDR. So these are the major data types supported by Postgres. Hope you like this one. So thank you for watching. Please not forget to share and subscribe.